Hello students, welcome to IE. In this video, we are going to discuss a numerical on the Zener diode. So let's see the numerical. So if you see the numerical, it is written that the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode is given as 12 volt. So let us see what are the data given. So the first data that is given, that is the breakdown voltage, that is the VZ. We denote the breakdown voltage as VZ. So breakdown voltage of the diode is given by 12 volt. So it is 12 volt. The next thing, the temperature coefficient of the diode. मतलब ये Zener diode का जो temperature coefficient है with respect to VZ is 0.072% per degree centigrade. So that means the temperature coefficient of the diode with respect to VZ, that is given by 0.072% per degree centigrade. So let us say that this temperature coefficient को मैं denote कर रहा हूँ. Let us denote this term temperature coefficient with respect to VZ is equals to TZ. TZ is the temperature coefficient with respect to VZ. So that means Tz is equals to this one. Now, the change in the Vz, if the temperature increases by 2 times, is dash volt. That means we need to find the change in Vz. ये वाले टर्म को मुझे ढूंढना होगा क्योंकि the temperature has been increases by 2 times. That means पहला वाला जो temperature था, if the first temperature is T1, then the T2 temperature, that means the second temperature, is twice of T1. So then what will be the change in the VZ? आपको ये ढूंढना है. So these are the data that has been given. Now, if you look at this numerical very carefully, then you can see that this numerical is on the temperature coefficient of the VZ, which is a very, very important numerical. So this type of numerical you can expect in the upcoming GATE questions. So we have to find the change in the Zener voltage due to the change in the temperature using the help of the temperature coefficient of VZ. Now, if you remember, the temperature coefficient जो होता है TZ जो temperature coefficient है, that can be denoted by an equation, and that equation is equals to Tz is equals to del of Vz divided by आपका Vz आएंगे यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे होगा मेरा T2 minus T1 और परसेंटेज के लिए आपका 100. So this is the second temperature, this is the first temperature, Vz is the Zener voltage, Tz क्या है? Temperature coefficient with respect to Vz, and del Vz क्या है? Del Vz is due to the change in the Zener voltage due to the change in temperature. So now we need to find, what do we need to find? We need to find this Vz. So from this equation we can find the value of Vz. So let us find the value of Vz. So Vz can be written as del of Vz. We need to find this one. So del of Vz can be written as, you can see it is Tz into Vz into T2 minus T1 divided by 100. So this is the equation of Vz right now. This is the equation of del Vz. Sorry, this is the equation of del Vz. अब Tz का वैल्यू कितना गिवन है? Tz का वैल्यू यहाँ पे गिवन है 0.072% per degree centigrade. So let us put that value. So if I put the value of Tz, it will be 0.072 into Vz. Vz is nothing but यहाँ पे गिवन है, देखिए Vz का वैल्यू 12 वोल्ट गिवन है यहाँ पे. So I can write it as 12 volt. अब T2 टेम्परेचर और T1 टेम्परेचर मुझे ढूंढना है. अब देखिए T1 टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? T1 टेम्परेचर is given as this 25 degree centigrade, which is nothing but this T1. So T1 अगर 25 है तो T2 क्या होगा? T2 आपका दुगना होगा, दुगना ऑफ T1. So दुगना ऑफ T1 मतलब आपका 50 डिग्री. So this is 50 डिग्री. So that means ये जो T2 है, हमेशा याद रखना, ये जो T2 और T1 है, this is in डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ये केल्विन पे नहीं है, डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे है. सो T2 का वैल्यू है 50. सो यहाँ पे डालिए 50 और T1 का वैल्यू है 25, सो 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. So this is the equation right now. Now if I simplify this equation, then you can see it is 0.072 into 12 और ये वाला आपका आएगा 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. So that means अल्टीमेटली आपका जो वैल्यू यहाँ पे आ सकता है, सो इस 100 के साथ ये वाला मैं 4 कट आउट कर सकता हूँ, 25 कट डाउन बाय 100 बाय 4. सो अल्टीमेटली आपका वैल्यू ये वाला, एंड 4 इज मल्टीप्लाइड, 4 कैन बी कट आउट फ्रॉम दिस 12, दैट इज 3. सो अल्टीमेटली आपका जो वैल्यू आएगा दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0.216 वोल्ट. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द चेंज इन द VZ. चेंज इन द VZ. अब क्वेश्चन देखिए, द चेंज इन द VZ क्या है? चेंज इन द VZ इज नथिंग बट दिस वन. सो ये जो चेंज हुआ क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज मेरा T1 टेम्परेचर जो मेरा 25 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड था वो अभी हो गया है 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. दैट्स व्हाई द VZ value has been changed, because the VZ value depends on the temperature. So one conclusion that we can find right now, that the Zener voltage of a Zener diode depends on the temperature. That's why if I change the temperature, that's why the Zener voltage has been changed. कितना चेंज हुआ? बहुत ही स्मॉल चेंज हुआ, मगर चेंज थोड़ा होगा. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड द चेंज इन द Zener voltage due to the change in the temperature for a Zener diode. So hopefully you have enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching the video.